Are you dreaming of visiting Dubai but worried about the cost? Well, guess what? I'm about to show you how you can spend 7 days in the luxurious city of Dubai with just $3,000. Yes, that includes flights, 5-star hotels, and some of the city's top attractions. Let's dive in. First things first, flights. Book your tickets at least 3 months in advance for the best deals. Websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights help you track prices. A round-trip flight from major U.S. cities to Dubai International Airport can cost around $800 to $1,000 if you plan ahead. Try to fly midweek for cheaper rates. Now let's talk about staying in style. You're in Dubai, so why not pamper yourself? 5-star hotels like the JW Marriott Marquis Dubai or Atlantis. The Palm offer luxury and comfort starting at $200 per night if you book through platforms like Booking.com or Agoda. That's $1,400 for 7 nights. And don't forget to look for discounts and deals. Getting around Dubai is super convenient and affordable. Grab a Knoll card for $30 and load it with $10 per day for unlimited metro and bus travel. That's about $100 for the week. Taxis are readily available but can be pricier, so stick to the efficient metro system. Dubai is a melting pot of cuisines, and you can enjoy incredible meals without breaking the bank. Budget $40 per day for food. That's $280 for the week. Try traditional Emirati dishes at Al Fanar, street shawarma in Dera, and budget-friendly buffets in Karama. Now let's explore Dubai. Here's a 7-day itinerary that won't blow your budget. Day 1, Burj Khalifa Observation Deck, F50. Day 2, Dubai Mall and Fountain Show, free. Day 3, Desert Safari with BBQ dinner, $60. Day 4, Jumeirah Beach and Dubai Marina Walk, free. Day 5, Dubai Museum and Al Fahidi Historical District, $10 combined. Day 6, Miracle Garden, $20. Day 7, Souks Indira and Abra Ride, free. Total cost for attractions, around $140. For souvenirs, snacks, or any unexpected costs, budget about $200. Here's the full budget breakdown. Flights, $1,000. Accommodation, $1,400. Transportation, $100. Food, $280. Attractions, $140. Miscellaneous, $200. Total, $3,000. See? It's totally doable. There you have it, a luxurious 7-day Dubai adventure for just $3,000. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. Shukran and happy travels.